Hi, I'm Kyle Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers. Today I'm going to present to you a 2023 Boston Whaler 24 Vantage. It's a great boat, perfect for the way we boat down here and probably would work really well where you boat. I'll point out some of the key features. It's powered by a Mercury 300 V8. Fantastic performance with the boat, holds a little over 100 gallons of fuel. At the stern of the boat here we've got a freshwater washdown. We've got a 14-gallon live well over here on the port side. We have a seat that pulls out of the transom here and then allows you to really have a great social space with an opposing seat just in front of it. And then you have some unique functionality of this seat where you've got a multi-adjustable backrest will ultimately lay into a full sunbed. The pad on the head door here acts as a backrest. Moving forward, the head compartment, nice handy feature of course with a vacuum flush toilet. It's a nice upgrade for sure. We have the JL premium audio stereo system in the boat, great sounding stereo. We've got raw water and freshwater washdown also. Up at the helm here we have a 12-inch Simrad display, tilt steering wheel, Mercury vessel view for monitoring all your engine data. Trim tabs over here on the starboard side, Mercury's digital shift and throttle. And then in the floor here we have a fish box. We have storage underneath the helm here. And then just forward, we have a nice deep bow area. You'd certainly feel safe underway. Really nice space for 4 people. And then forward of me we've got another freshwater washdown. And then in the compartment here, we have a bow to beach ladder and an anchor windlass. Thank you for letting me walk you through the boat today. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us at marinemax.com or you can email me at kyle.pillsbury@marinemax.com.